Chip manufacturing basics. Packaging.
This is a completed wafer, with devices fabricated and wiring laid out. The small square grids visible are individual chips. But the chips we commonly see don't look like this. They look like this. Because those invisible to the naked billions or even hundreds of billions of are all contained within such a casing. Without this protective shell, the chip would become extremely fragile. Don't underestimate this unassuming package. Actually, how to add protection to chips, or more professionally speaking, chip packaging, is itself a high-tech process. For a chip to function properly, it needs connection to external circuits. For example, this common connection method uses these metal pins that insert into PCB through hole to establish circuit internally, wires to the chip die. Chips packaged this way become a single chip may occupy significant PCB real estate, and because of internal wiring, the die casing needs substantial thickness. Modern electronic devices demand increasing, which raises packaging requirements. How to achieve simpler packaging structures, making chips more compact, occupying less PCBs. Now if we disassemble any smartphone, we can see this is what the chip inside a smartphone looks like. No visible pins can be seen at all. The chip connects to the circuit board. This is because these chips use more advanced and demanding ball grid array packaging. If you flip a chip over, on its underside, you'll see spherical metal solder bumps. These bumps connect the chip to the circuit. This packaging method not only allows chips to occupy less PCB space, but also simplifies their internal structure. No wires are needed to connect dies to solder points. Instead, directly connect to the die's internal structure. This significantly reduces internal making chips much thinner. Beyond structural in packaging technology, another technical challenge is selecting appropriate packaging materials. Stronger materials aren't always better. For appliances, AC units, TVs, and game consoles, where the environment is stable, even if chips fail, the consequences aren't severe. Thus, their packaging requirements are less stringent. These chips typically use special plastics to encapsulate the silicon die. This method is called plastic encapsulation, sometimes to reduce costs. A simple drop of glue suffices. Once dried, it counts as packaged. This is called glob top encapsulation. But sometimes, chips operate in harsh environments, or their failure could have serious consequences, like chips in automobiles or military applications, require much higher packaging standards. The most demanding are chips used in satellites and spacecraft. They must endure extreme temperatures and environments while constantly bombarded by cosmic rays. Therefore, for this type of chip, plastic encapsulation is often instead. More reliable metals or ceramics are chosen, as chip packaging is also a crucial part of chip manufacturing, requiring profound technical and industrial China has already established certain competitive advantages in chip packaging. We have every reason to that in the foreseeable China's packaging technology will reach new heights, driving the vigorous development of the chip